I was just watching Josh Studio something.
Hey,
You saw
you
that?
you bellend. Just go get another engine and I'll get you a long train of trucks.
Okay.
Right. Oh, we're halfway there. Right.
I gotta go in a bit.
You have to leave?
Yeah, I gotta go to a movie theater, man.
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
Well, are you coming to watch me or not? Bro, I asked you a question. Are you coming to watch me or not?
Yeah.
Do you even know where I am?
No clue.
Alright, hold on. Hey! Hey! Hi. Go forward. You're on the wrong fucking track. Just keep going backwards. Okay, go forward. Forward! 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 Dumbass. Hello?
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Dude! Oh, hi. There's a long ass. Hold on.
Give me a second.
Are you looping around? Watch me. Whoa, we're halfway there. Squidward, Squidward.
What? Brother, help.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, help.
Where are you? You dumbass. Just go forward. Backward. Yeah, there's really no point. So just come here. Just watch me on foot. Dude, get out of Adler. Thank you. Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Are you just watching me?
Yeah. Go.
I went down the wrong track. I am Herbert. No! Oh. How convenient. Squidward on a chair, you know? Hey, stop trying to touch my trucks, alright? You're gonna derail me. Stop. Just stay over there. Alright, let's see. What kind of trucks do I want? Can you delete the red and orange and yellow truck? I kind of want the Next truck, can you delete it? Yeah, can you delete that truck right in front of you? Thank you. Alright. Can you get another one of those trucks? Thank you. Alright. Is that a good goods train or do I need more?
You need a brake van.
Alright, hold on. Oh, and I forgot the final truck. Gotta come back. Can you fill my can you fill my long red flatbed with something? Like anything. Pick anything. Perfect. And then the black trucks, can you fill them with coal stone? Yeah. Yeah, gray stone. Both of them.
Bruh.
Alright, that's good. Let's go. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Oh,
Alright, this
my
good string's for you to pull, okay?
my phone said about to
What?
overheat.
I can't hear you.
My phone is overheating.
Cool.
No, I got it.
End the video the second that hold on, don't end the video yet.
Hurry up, the
Points. Alright, hit the point. Who
point.
the fuck is African King?
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh, no, stop. Go back.
Dude! Screw it. Screw it. End the video there.